Hello, my name is Ray Leerentveld. I'm the Director of Engineering at IGNIS Innovation. I'm here today to give an update on our AOIS system, Automated Optical Inspection System, used for the compensation of OLED phones and panels. What I'm happy to announce is that we've taken our takt time down from 100 seconds to roughly 30 seconds on average. From the last presentation, we received a number of questions, and I'd like to answer those questions today. The first one was, can the system handle microLED displays? The answer is yes. We need to change the optics to handle the smaller resolutions found on those displays, but we can certainly accomplish compensation on those displays. Another one was, can the system handle notepad and larger displays? And the answer again is yes. However, we do need to change the optics and possibly raise the height of the system to meet the image size of these displays. Another question was, can the system handle new panel production? And of course it can. That's what it was specifically designed for. We do need to get a custom interface board for new panel production. And we also need to get access into the DDIC correction memory so that the corrections can be permanently saved in the device. Another one was, can the system interface into the factory network? Yes, we have an Ethernet port on the system so we can directly connect into factory networks. One question was, what is the camera inside of the system? Well, IGNIS designed a PCIe interfaced camera custom for our system, which meets all of the very specialized needs of OLED display compensation. So, covering all of these questions, I want to move now to doing a demo. And the demo I'm going to do is using a Pixel 2 phone. This particular phone was picked up as a used phone, which shows burn-in that was put on the phone in the normal use environment. And if you look at this phone, you can see a band at the top, you can see a band at the bottom, and you can see a number of icons inside of the phone that have been burnt in. Now what we will do is we're going to go and we're going to do the compensation on this particular phone. Putting the phone into the system, to do compensation is very simple. We just hit compensate. Our time bar indicator starts. It's going to end at roughly 30 seconds for this particular phone. Again, all of the other features I talked about before are in there. The ability to select either red, green, or blue and only do one color at a time. We have our verification menu so that we can go back in and look at the results of the compensation. The system has logs so that we can maintain data regarding all of the compensation that's done on it and go back and look at the history of the compensation in the system. So now we're done. We've gone through the 30 seconds. We go back into verification mode, pull out the phone, and now I can push the bright setting to the phone, which is grayscale 150. You'll see the uncompensated pattern here on the phone. We turn the compensation on, and you'll see the new compensated pattern on the phone, a very good, clean, flat field. I can now move to blue and show the blue compensated pattern. If I turn compensation off, I can see again the uncompensated blue pattern. So very clearly, you can see the compensation turning on and off and the effects on the phone. Again, I can select, for example, just red and push that onto the phone. And I see a nice clean pattern of red. Going back into the white pattern, I have nice clean compensation of white. Changing the grayscale, for example, down to grayscale 75. You can again see a very nice, clean, compensated pattern for all of the grayscales. That covers pretty well everything I wanted to talk about today. So if you do have any questions, please contact us at info@ignisinnovation.com. Thank you very much.